High-tech manufacturing firm fast growth data from the National Bureau of Statistics also show the number of China's high-technology manufacturing companies surged from 2008 to 2013, a signal of progress in economic structure adjustment. Figures show there were over 26,000 large high-tech manufacturing companies by the end of last year, accounting for 7.8% of all large manufacturing companies, up 1.3 percentage points from 2008. They realized a profit of over 118 billion United States dollars in 2013, up 165.5% from 2008. The profit growth was 11.5 percentage points higher than the average manufacturing industry rate. China's manufacturing industry is the largest in the world, and the country has been working to upgrade the traditional industries, develop new and high-tech industries and raise the competitiveness of products.